Now, there are a lot of reasons why I'm on a mission to make being a millionaire the new norm. First of all, not just in what I say, but in the example that I set. But one of the reasons is because people who look like me and people who come from certain backgrounds similar to me, even if they don't look like me, we have been programmed, especially with the society norms, to think that, oh my God, if we make six figures, if we make $100,000 a year, we just crushing it. Well, that's better than 20 grand a year, but I'm telling you, it still ain't enough when you start doing the real math based on the world that we live in today. So I want you to know that I'm here to help you. And if you need the resources, the tools, the strategies, the solutions, and the formulas, and the blueprint to making a millionaire become your new norm, and the new norm for the people that are around you, I want you to reach out to me. But I'm telling you right now, the millionaire, Millie, that's the new norm.